Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, I'm going to show very beautiful and gorgeous look crochet babies, ladies, caps, designs, ideas. Hope you like this video in different collection. So please watch this video till the end and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. In today's video, I will show you very beautiful, some cool and easy to make crochet cap designs ideas perfect for any season. These caps are gorgeous and comfortable. We will show you how to create beautiful texture using yarn and techniques, plus got tips on how to customize the brim, cuff and pom-pom to fit your perfectness. And as a bonus, we'll give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize a beautiful and gorgeous look crochet caps designs ideas. There are many different types of caps designs ideas. You watch this video till the end and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel and which cap is your favorite. Tell me in comment section. We will show you how to create beautiful designs ideas, and from sweet and simple to intricate elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are beginner or an expert crocheters, these crochet ladies, babies, caps designs ideas perfect for you. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment. To make this project unique and special, you can also add a personal touch with some beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers, pom-pom, different flowers, crochet work flowers and different accessories you use and decor your crochet caps designs easily. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. If you want any question, if you want any idea about crochet work, so please tell me in comment section and like this video and share with your friends, with your relatives, with your customers, with your crochet work experts and others. And please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more inspiration videos, more detailed videos, more full DIY tutorials. Okay viewers, take care, see you in the next video. Hope you like this all the beautiful pattern and different ideas collection. Okay, see you in the next video.